Host's eagle. This huge eagle hunted moas in New Zealand. Its claws were as big as tiger claws. It vanished after moas disappeared. Labrador duck. A sea duck from North America. It had a strange beak for eating shellfish. No one knows exactly why it went extinct. Broad-faced potoroo. A small rabbit-sized kangaroo from Australia. It liked to dig and eat roots. Cats and foxes made it disappear. Caspian tiger. A beautiful tiger that lived around the Caspian Sea. It had long fur to stay warm. Hunters and habitat loss ended its life. Bluebuck, an antelope from South Africa with blue-gray fur. It lived in grassy plains. It vanished soon after Europeans arrived. Baiji dolphin. This gentle dolphin lived in China's Yangtze River. Pollution and boats killed it. It was declared extinct in 2007. Japanese sea lion. These sea lions lived around Japan. They were friendly and playful. They were overhunted for oil and fur. Western black rhino. A type of rhino from Africa. Its horns were big and curved. Poachers took everyone for horn trade. Two-legged wallaby. A graceful wallaby from Australia. It jumped through tall grasslands. Hunting and habitat loss ended its days. Xerces blue butterfly. This shiny blue butterfly lived near San Francisco. It loved flowers by the coast. It disappeared when people built houses there. Lesser bilby, a small desert marsupial from Australia. It dug deep burrows in the sand. Cats and foxes made it disappear. Booble hartebeest, a reddish antelope once found in North Africa. It loved to run in herds. Hunters chased it until none were left. Laughing owl. A funny owl from New Zealand that sounded like laughter. It hunted insects at night. Rats and cats caused its end. Aurochs, the wild ancestor of cows. It was big and strong with long horns. People hunted it for meat and sport. Cuban macaw, a colorful parrot from Cuba. It had bright red and yellow feathers. Hunters and storms wiped it out. Moanalo, a flightless duck from Hawaii. It had a beak like a turtle's for eating plants. Pigs and people destroyed its nests. Japanese wolf. The smallest wolf species ever. It lived in Japan's forests and mountains. People feared it and killed them all. Bubulina bison, Bison occidentalis, an ancient bison from North America. It had huge horns and lived on open plains. It disappeared after the Ice Age. Broad-billed parrot. This parrot from Mauritius had a strange, wide beak. It loved hard fruits and seeds. Rats ate their eggs until none were left. Steppe bison, a shaggy bison that roamed icy Europe. It was painted on cave walls by early humans. Climate change ended its story.